get back here. Get back here. No. Yeah, you want it? You want it? You want it? Go ahead. You're just gonna stay there, aren't you? You're not gonna be able to stay there for long. Put your tongue back in. Get man Panda. Why were you just doing that to me? Stop it. Stop it. You're... Stop it. Stop it. Do it. Okay. Panda, what are you doing? Oh. Stop it. Stop it, boy. You see me. You know I'm looking at you.
Minnesota Governor Tim Pawlenty. Governor, thanks for being with us.
Now you sit there.
So, simple question. What do you expect out of tonight?
Catch it, aren't you?
The accomplishments from his standpoint that he's done so far. 2, I think he's going to try to be more optimistic, less Mad Max, more Ronald Reagan. And then 3, I think he's going to begin to design and present the roadmap that Congress is going to need to have the air covered with the details on the stuff they want to get done.
So on that roadmap, let's talk about the budget for a second. And Fox News was saying, again, military spending is a big emphasis for him.
Panda.
Lindsey Graham, Senator Graham,
Yeah, you saw me, Panda. Oh, I like your walk. I like your walk, you little monster.
I think there is going to be a significant increase for the military, and there should be. Of course, they're not going to do draconian cuts to the state department. Congress won't allow that. It's a small
Wait. Look at this. You see this? Panda, what are you doing? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! He's helping me. It's not Wednesday. Look at that. Look at him shake that butt. Look at him. Oh my gosh, Panda. Oh my gosh. No, what are you doing? Panda. Panda, stop. Stop humping me. Stop the humping. Stop it. Stop the humping. Boy. You don't stop. I'm throwing your toys away. You wouldn't even notice it. Stop it. You're gonna buy me new ones. If you break it. Okay. Stop it. Oh no. Body slam. Boy, can you please stop? Boy. Panda. Stop it. You see this camera, don't you? Yeah, you see this camera. Stop it. Stop. Panda. Wait. Your ear. Come here. Flipped it. Okay, good. You flipped it. Okay, come on. Go get your toy. Let's go get your toy. You want it? You want the toy? That on me, not on me, boy. Okay. Oh my gosh, Panda. Go. Stop it. Well, as you just saw, he humped me. And I'm not proud of it. I'm not proud of it. Panda. You know what you did. Stop acting innocent, boy. Don't act innocent. Don't act innocent. You know what you did. Well, that's the end of the video. You little boy. So that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Oh gosh, Panda. What are you doing? Okay, this is not the end of the video yet. What are you doing, Panda? Stop it. Panda. Now it's the end of the video. Panda, can you stop please? This boy won't stop. Okay, now it's the end of the video.
Let me love, boy, I just know.